In today's fast-paced world, finding the time and motivation to exercise can be challenging. With so many conflicting pieces of advice and exercise trends, it's easy to feel overwhelmed when trying to create a workout routine that works for you. However, building a workout routine tailored to your goals and lifestyle is not as daunting as it may seem. By following some simple guidelines and understanding your individual needs, you can develop a sustainable routine that will help you achieve your fitness goals while fitting seamlessly into your daily life. 1. Define your goals. The first step in creating a workout routine is to define your fitness goals. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, improve flexibility, or increase endurance, knowing what you want to achieve will guide your exercise choices. Take some time to reflect on your priorities and be specific about what you hope to accomplish. Setting clear, measurable goals will not only keep you motivated, but also help you track your progress along the way. 2. Assess your current fitness level. Before diving into a new workout routine, it's essential to assess your current fitness level. This will help you determine where you're starting from and identify areas that need improvement. You can assess your fitness level by performing simple tests such as push-ups, sit-ups, and a timed run or walk. Additionally, consider factors like your flexibility, balance, and overall energy levels. This self-assessment will serve as a baseline for measuring your progress over time. 3. Consider your schedule and lifestyle. One of the most significant barriers to sticking to a workout routine is often time constraints. Therefore, it's essential to consider your schedule and lifestyle when designing your workouts. Determine how much time you can realistically dedicate to exercise each week and identify the most convenient times for you to work out. If you have a busy schedule, look for ways to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. 4. Choose activities you enjoy. When it comes to exercise, variety is key to staying motivated and engaged. Rather than forcing yourself to do activities you dislike, focus on finding activities that you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, yoga, or dance, there are countless options to choose from. Experiment with different activities until you find what works best for you. And don't be afraid to mix things up to keep your workouts exciting. 5. Create a balanced routine. A well-rounded workout routine should include a mix of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Cardiovascular exercise, such as running or cycling, helps improve heart health and burn calories. Strength training, which involves lifting weights or using resistance bands, helps build muscle mass and increase metabolism. Flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching improve range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Aim to incorporate each of these components into your routine to achieve overall fitness and balance. 6. Start slow and gradually increase intensity. It's essential to start slow, especially if you're new to exercise or returning after a long hiatus. Begin with low-intensity workouts and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your fitness improves. Pushing yourself too hard too soon can lead to burnout or injury, so listen to your body and progress at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Remember that consistency is key, and small, sustainable changes over time will yield significant results. 7. Set realistic expectations. While it's essential to challenge yourself, it's also crucial to set realistic expectations for your fitness journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a strong, healthy body. Be patient with yourself and understand that progress takes time. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Focus on the process rather than the outcome, and trust that consistent effort will lead to positive changes over time. 8. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. While some muscle soreness is normal, sharp pain or discomfort could indicate an injury. If something doesn't feel right, don't push through it. Take a break, modify your workout, or seek guidance from a fitness professional. It's essential to prioritize safety and avoid overexertion, as this can lead to long-term damage and derail your progress. 9. Make adjustments as needed. As you progress on your fitness journey, be prepared to make adjustments to your workout routine as needed. Your goals, preferences, and abilities may change over time, so it's essential to reassess periodically and make any necessary modifications. This could involve changing up your exercises, increasing or decreasing intensity, or trying new activities altogether. Flexibility and adaptability are key to maintaining a sustainable workout routine for the long term. Building a workout routine that fits your goals and lifestyle is achievable with the right mindset and approach. By defining your goals, assessing your fitness level, considering your schedule and preferences, and creating a balanced routine, you can develop a sustainable plan that works for you. Start slow, listen to your body, and make adjustments as needed, staying consistent and motivated along the way. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve the results you desire and enjoy a healthier, happier lifestyle.